Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the ultra wide lens on your Snapchat app. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you feel your Snapchat lens is not wide enough, then you can enable the wide angle. Please note, this wide angle mode is only suitable for phones which have the wide angle lens. So for example, this one is a iPhone 14 Pro and it's got a wide angle lens. So let me show you how to get the wide angle feature on Snapchat. So before we begin, let's update the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by going into your App Store or your Google Play Store. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now this works only on the rear camera, so you want to switch over to the rear camera. Once you do this, you'll see this new icon here, which looks like two arrows going the opposite way, and you have a circle around it. So go ahead and tap on that. Once you do that, you'll notice the view will get wider. So it switched from a normal lens to a wide angle lens. So this can only happen if you have a wide angle lens on your phone. Now go ahead and record your Snapchat video using the wide angle lens. And that is how to enable the ultra wide angle lens on your Snapchat app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.